Hi wonderful people, how are you today? Hope you're doing well. This is Elegant Fashion Tutorial. I'm Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful dress. It will be a circle dress with combination of black net. It will be a form of circle on the neck, and the dress will be very easy and simple to make. So don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video, and give this video a like. You can share it to your friends and well-wishers. Join me on the cutting table as we proceed. Now this is the fabric we'll be using for this tutorial. I will use this to combine it. This will be on its own. Each of them will be on their own. This one will be placed, it will be a circle form as well, but it will be placed at the top side or the neck side to just fall on its own. Remember, it's a circled dress, it will be free. So what I need here is the shoulder measurement of 10 inches. I'm making it for a small girl. The shoulder will be 10 inches and the length of the dress will be 24 inches. Now the neck, I will use this will stand alone, the fabric, while the net will be on top of it at the neck. I will show you how everything will go. Now let's cut. Remember to place your fabric on the wrong side when cut. So now I folded this material this way. This is how I folded it. Now you can call it circle or funnel. This is the umbrella shape or funnel form. Now the neck is 12 inches. 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. So I mark 6 inches here. The next thing I do, the length of the dress is 24 inches. I'll be adding only 1 inch because I will use one to just join the shoulder, and the downside I will fold it in with ½ inch. So I'll be measuring 25 inches or 25.5 inches rather. So this is 25.5 inches. Then I'll mark it round. So this is 25.5 inches. The next thing I'll be doing is the armhole. Now I'll just measure 2 inches. Remember, I'm cutting both of them together, both the front and back neckline together. Now I will make all of them to have the same neckline. Now I'll be using the upper side of the neck, will be 2.5 inches. We can make it 3 inches since we are not using a zipper. I'll make it 3 inches here and 4 inches here. Then this will be the armhole. Okay, now the next thing is to cut it. Remember to give it a shoulder slant by 1 inch. So I'll cut first this side is the shoulder slant. This is the armhole. Okay. The next thing I'll cut off this side. Okay. I want to trim off this place. We are done with this. You can see how it is. This is beautiful. Next thing is to cut this neck part. Okay. I'll fold my fabric into four. I'll fold it this way. Now, this is 11 inches by 13 inches. Now, the round neck is 12 inches. So 12 divided by 4 will give us 3 inches. Now I'll measure 3 inches. This is 3 inches here. This is 3 inches here. Then this side is 9 inches. I will take this 9 inches straight to this side because this side is longer. This is 11 inches. From the 9 inches, I take it to this point. Then I'll cut it off. Carefully cut this off. We're done with this. And I'll cut the neck. Friends, this is what we are having here. Look at how it looks like. Now we are done the cutting. It's very, very simple and easy. This as well will serve as the sleeve. It will cover the sleeve side. So now the first thing you will do, you either use bias and turn the neck. Remember, I did not open it. If you like, you can open it up. You can still open it up and use a bias to connect it and put it a hook, which you use and hold it at the neck. But here, I just want to leave it this way. I will use a bias and turn the neck round. You can cut the bias from the material you are using to turn the neck, or you can use a normal bias to turn it, or you can leave it as well because this is a net. It can't be uncomfortable. It's okay if you decide to use it like that, like the mouth. I'll use it like that, or you can use a bias and turn it whichever way you want. You can do it. So the next thing we'll do, we are done with this. You can see how the dress is. You can see how it is. That's the shape. Why this one will come up on top of the neck like this. So I will show you how it will look like. So it's very simple and easy. The first thing we'll do here is to check the front. This is the wrong side. I will take a bias and turn the neck, and as well turn the arm because it will not be having a sleeve. So I will turn the neck, turn the arm. That's the first thing. Now the second thing to do here is to turn the downside as well. So you can see I've turned the neck. This is the neck side. Now remember I told you one side will be longer. I've already turned the neck side of the fabric. Look at, I've turned the two neckline, even this one, the neckline. The next thing I will do here now is to join the neck together before I will turn the armhole, because I want all of them to be equal. I don't want it to be in pieces. So I will join the two edges together with half inch. After it, the next thing I will do here is to turn the down side. I will turn it with half inch as well, like this. It will be folded like this, and I'll turn it. So you can see I've already sewed the down side. The two down side is already sewn. So, and the neck, and I've joined it together like this. The last thing I will do before I will join it is to use bias and turn this arm. I will turn it. That's the last thing I will do. So after I turn it, the next thing I will now do is to just join the two sides. So let's turn it. Now we are done with the arm side. You can see how it is. This is the other side of it. Now the last thing I will do now is to hold the two sides with half inch. And just hold the two sides. After it, we are done. Let's do it. Friends, we are actually done with this. You can see how it is, very beautiful. And this will be at the neckline to serve as the sleeve. Thank you very much for watching. Was this video helpful to you? Please drop your comment at the comment section. Tell me how you feel about this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video, and give this video a like. Don't forget to join me on my Facebook group at Elegant Styles and Tutorial for different styles of your choice. Bye.